I grew up in a home where I was surrounded by people who fought back. My early years of coming to the United States would be my parents' friends, the survivors, all part of the underground, would come upstate, and that's where I grew up, and talk about what it was like living in the forests. I also brought with me a picture, if you want to have it, of what the actual bunker looked like. It's really a remarkable story, but each story in itself is remarkable, and each story needs to be documented. There are so many stories that have died because those that had them didn't survive to tell the story.